And we're back. This time we're going to talk about the basics of color correction, and we are going to use simple presets. So don't worry, it's not going to be complicated. Let me put some footage in my timeline. We're going to use 2 different clips. And then go to File, New and Adjustment Layer. With an 8 is fine, click on OK. We put it in our timeline and then make it larger so that it spans both of our clips. Now we can use an effect, just type in Lumetri. Let's close the Lumetri presets for now, and we will drag and drop the Lumetri color under Video Effects and Color Correction on our adjustment layer. And here it is in our effects control. We can already work with it, but it makes more sense to change the layout of Premiere Pro to effects. And then on the right we've got our Lumetri color, FX. Click on Creative, and under Look you will find dozens of presets that we can use, and in the window below it is already shown how that looks. When you found something that you like, just click on it and your main window will have the same effect applied. Let us, for this example, use some gold preset. Maybe this, you can play around with the intensity. I'm going to use this one, Gold Tobacco, and that's fine. And it's automatically applied to the adjustment layer and thus to both of our clips. Let me make this invisible and you see the difference. And this is how easily you can apply these color correction presets to your video footage in Premiere Pro. It's a great way to start using color corrections as a beginner. In the future I will certainly make a more in-depth tutorial on color corrections, as this is a very huge topic. But if you are a beginner, you will find something under presets that will work for you. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.